Hey guys, we're gonna be doing another run of Risk of Rain 2 here. Episode, this would be 2. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep these like one run at a time to make them not too incredibly long or anything like that. But if we have a bad run that only lasts like a minute, 10 minutes, I'll do 2 runs in a video or something. Keep them kind of longer videos, but not like. I'm not going to do a run and die on the first stage and then say, well, too bad, y'all get 5 minutes. That's it. No, I'll do it like that. But for now, we're going to jump back into our game here. Going to do another single-player monsoon run. I am on the wrong account, so I will be right back. Okay. Now we're back on the right account. So now I'm on my account. Okay, there we go. So, I think I'm actually going to I'll play someone different than the Railgunner for this run. God, it sucks that I don't have, like, all of the moves for this, because with this character, I run the entire secondary loadout. But, we make do with what we got. So, let us begin. God, I forgot how much longer the normal blink feels compared to her other blink. Obviously, we're slowly going to experience these all together. Those who haven't already experienced them themselves. I'll try to set up set up one of the achievements. Very, very close, but alas. See, the interesting thing about the Huntress is kind of like the non-scoped in Railgunner secondary skill. You don't actually have to aim anything. It aims itself, obviously. But, unlike the other two, you can shoot while sprinting with this character, which makes it really nice. But also, she's got virtually no health. She is a glass cannon. Can't you? Okay, so this, you can directionally blink with this one. I haven't played a lot of these other, like almost every move I have, except for my secondary, I haven't played with in a long time. So, getting towards unlocking it is going to be, or like playing this way while waiting to unlock it is going to be a pain. It'll be a mild pain. Like, they're not bad, it's just I'm not used to it. And I mean, that kind of makes sense, honestly, like, a secondary loadout should improve. Like, second options should have improvement on the other. So I mean, it's just good game design. That's very, well, relatively helpful. Make sure I at least take a much dialed down first hit. Oh, never mind, I crit. All the characters start out with base 1% chance of crit, unlike the monsters, which have a 0% chance starting out. Obviously, at least with the character, it's very easy to increase those chances. But the monsters stay at 0 unless you're doing something with items, i.e. void fields or artifact of evolution is also 1. Ooh, there's a lunar bud, but I don't have the lunar coins to do that. Something good. That is a good item. Permanently reduce armor on hit. Basically just over time makes it easier to kill. There's a void cradle over there. And there's also an equipment barrel. Problem is I have 0 healing items. Can I just like let him sit there and just work on whittling down some dudes so I can do the achievement to... Okay, I can only one-shot those, like I can only hit with a single bullet there. Kind of unfortunate, but gotta make do with what I can. Oh, this could actually, that actually can make things harder. Okay. I don't know how many times the glaive bounces. I don't remember, so... Nah, I'm not gonna do... I had to do what I had to do to live, unfortunately. Ooh, volcanic egg. Is it still broken? I might wait to do the void cradle till after the teleport. God. It's so strange playing with this loadout after getting so used to all the utility of the other one. Aww. Okay. You're gonna take a few more shots. Oh, God! If I do this... Never mind, it didn't even kill. Because the achievement for the secondary, for the second primary, I'm sorry, is, every hit is a kill shot. But, like with the secondary ability, but I don't know if there, I don't remember if there's a number it has to be. And that's... I think I've gotten everything. Except for the lunar bud and the void cradle, which I'm not. I'm not opening that void cradle as Huntress before the teleporter event with the items that I have. So, all right, here we go. Okay, could be worse. Probably shouldn't have used that yet, but I did. Listen, stop, wait a minute, don't listen. Okay. These goddamn menders are gonna just heal the boss and it's... Okay, we got him. Nope, listen, stop. Oh, I really messed it up. Slowly but surely getting there. this could do some work. Get him Golem behind him. Okay. Oh, this is really good for this character. Just to help take less damage, because I can spring and shoot. Oh! Oh, there we go. Not that I'm ever going to use Spinal Tonic, but it's an achievement in the new run. There are characters that apparently it's pretty good to use Spinal Tonic on. I need to look into that, honestly. Maybe try one of those runs out myself. Okay, now we do this. Ooh, if I can get over there while I still have shield, I'll have a bit more health to work with. Okay. Oh shoot. Crusty Key. Crusty Key is such a fun item. Especially since the Rusted Key no longer gives us guaranteed reds as of the patch. Granted, I wasn't taking advantage of that in any of my accounts or playthroughs, but a lot of people were, and it was a mistake. That has become a community-wide meme. Very happy about that. It is genuinely funny. And it's always good to have something to laugh about. I mean, come on. Alright, where's someone I can beat the shit out? I heard that. What? Where are you? That was one of the really big dudes with a shit ton of health, right? No? Oh, there's gonna be a cleansing pool on this map, isn't there? And I didn't grab the Lunar Bud. Oh, well, there's one of those dudes. Oh, there's 2 Clay Templars. See, remember when I was talking about a short run? This might be one of those. Well, wait, actually, I'm doing something here. I need to get crowbars. God, if I can find a crowbar printer, it's gonna be great. I'm very grateful about is that dude has very, very slow turnaround. So it makes it a little easier to get around him, as long as you've got some decent movement. And considering I can blink halfway across these sections of land. It works out. Ooh. Okay, Ben's raincoat. It's so funny, they finally added a raincoat to the game. I mean, there is a chance of rain, so, I mean, some would say it's more of a risk. But, oh no. I remember when I first saw this item, I had no idea what it was a nod to for some reason. My mind went to, what's the book called? It, by Stephen King. But, his name's Georgie, not Ben. Oh, there's a goat's hoof printer. Another razor wire. Definitely what I wanted. I mean, it's alright, but I want some good movement items, I say as I pass a printer for goat's hoof. But also, we'll see what happens by the end of the stage, or by the end of collecting items. Because if I find a scrapper especially, I can scrap some of it. There's a couple of my white items I could afford to scrap to come back to a printer if I decide on a different one. Never know, I could run into a crowbar printer. I can run into a backup mag printer, grab a couple of those. But if I run into a crowbar printer, I'm putting every item that I can print, every white item that I have into that printer. Because Huntress has the achievement. There's duplicate, I think it's 10 items in a printer, and then it's just an achievement for to be able to get one of the red items. And then there is the Huntress thing of, I think it's carry 12 crowbars. Okay. Any chests up here? Sorry, it's kind of annoying that I jump so much. That's just for some reason the way I play this game. I can't fully explain it, but I just doobity do it. I think there's another way to get charges your utility skill. What is it? Hard Light Afterburner. It's a red item. There's also a way to get more charges of your special, or on my screen, my R ability. That is one of the void items. But I want Lungus. I almost always want Lungus, let's be honest. But, especially for a character that can sprint and shoot at the same time. I mean, considering Lungus heals you while you sprint, seems like a pretty good item. And this is actually also a really good item, now that I think about it. What is it, a 0.5 increase in attack speed? Something like that? Or is it a 0.25? I miss my mods, man. I had some quality of life mods that I would use. One of them displayed like stats along the right-hand corner of my screen, and the other would give like item stats, and it would like show you what a stat. It would tell you what the item did and the percents and stuff, and then it would also show the effect of the entire stack. Because, for example, a crowbar increases your damage to a healthy enemy for the first hit by 75%. So if you have a stack of 13 of those, it does the math for you instead of sitting there like, well, you've got 13 of these. Figure out how much it is. You know, take it. I'll do this time. Needle tick. I don't know what just happened there. That got really scary. Where did the dude go? Did he just fall to his death? I mean, I'm not complaining. Monster Tooth. It's like I have one really good white item, and that's my attack syringe. And then I also have, what's the word? Topaz Brooch. God, there's the cleansing pool. Oh, wait, I wouldn't have been able to do it anyways. I have to have a lunar coin. Yeah, cleansing pools are for when you have lunar items. It gives you a specific yellow item. And hopefully I work my runs correctly to get those items eventually. I should record some simulacrum runs. It's the new, like, wave mode that they added. I feel like it's a bit easier to get lunar coins through that, just because you're killing hordes of enemies. Though I'd probably record that too, but I probably wouldn't do a monsoon run of it if I'm being honest. At least with the characters I have now. I mean, maybe. Or probably I could do it with Railgunner, considering I have my ideal loadout now. At the same time, oh my god, I freaking like Topaz Brooch. Alright, we're just gonna... see if I can get the ideal stack. The ideal stack of goat hoofs is 6. Ah, and it took... I should have stopped while I was ahead. Oh, reach for your substitute. I didn't remember that wax quail is an unlockable item. That's actually really interesting. God, it's been so long since I've done all these unlocks. Feels nice to do it again, too. Kind of nostalgic. Because I remember, you know, first time I saw this game was a friend, I don't know, a buddy of mine had it and told me he thought I'd like it. And then I watched Mark play with Bob and Wade as well. And that's when I bought it for myself. Was when their first like stream happened. And now I've played it. Obviously I've been playing it ever since, you know. That was back when Plant Boy came out. Or not Plant Boy, that was... no. Was it Plant? No, it was Artificer. Who is one of my new favorite characters as of this DLC, by the way. Because of one of the items they added. Just makes his primary ability way more powerful. It also buffs his special ability, his like starting one, which is nowhere near as good as his unlockable one, but I don't know, it's still pretty good. Sorry, I just adjusted the audio there real quick. Felt kind of loud. I don't know how it's going to be on y'all's end until I work on the video, but... See, this is going to be a scary one because of the healing ability these guys have. Oh, lunar coin. I need a total of 11 of these to get the Artificer. Artificer, however the hell you pronounce it. Okay, is he healing? Can he reach me? No, he can't. Well, I don't know what I'm trying to achieve there. I'm gonna be a hunter with y'all. I should have just waited. Nope. I don't know where I just shot that. Not where I wanted it, I can tell you that much. I can tell you that for free. Is he dead? Okay, he's dead. Alright, 2 reusable scrap, or regenerating scrap. I mean, that could be good if I run into a good, green 3D printer. Oh, man. It's a spicy one. That's a spicy meatball. Ooh, sulfur pools. Yeah, I learned relatively recently that when those explode, they actually poison you. I just never realized it because I was always, like, too far away from them. Because I typically would just, like, snipe them as railgunner. Ouch. I say, even though that didn't do much, because I have, what's it called? Oddly shaped opal. I should be more precise. I have 2 oddly shaped opals. Got some hopo feathers would be nice. Ooh, gasoline. Hey, look at that. That's part number 1 of my dream. I need to see what the hell the large chest over here has. Oh, can they not mend? I wonder, can menders not mend each other, or was it just like luck of the draw that they healed the other dude instead of each other? Ouch. Who hit me? Ouch. Wait a minute, stop, listen. God, those blind pests are awful. And he's dead. Okay, well, I can open you, and I'm just short of you. A leeching seed is nice. I really don't want another oddly shaped opal, but I'm gonna pick it up regardless. Ignition tank. Wait. Now that's an interesting item to have. Don't need nothing like that. Okay. Alright, honestly, I won't complain about some bungus, so if or when I get a bungus, or a wongus, I should have done that. Ouch. But when I get a wongus, that way I have more healing. I can take advantage of the Aegis I just picked up. Got 3 red items already. I mean, granted, it's not exactly the best red items, but at least for what I have access to. But still some good ones. I need some backup mags. I thought I unlocked those, didn't I? By the way, if I ever call them secondary mags, if that bothers anyone, sorry, not sorry. I just for some reason called them that. I don't know why. Maybe I've heard someone else call it, or for some reason, even though I haven't played COD or a Battlefield or anything like that in years, but I'm still saying backup or secondary magazine. The world may never know. Oh, there's the void thing. I need another rusted key because I don't want to lose my crusty key until I get a wongus. Ooh, 5 different types of equipment. That unlocks the fuel cell. Interesting. You know what? We're YOLOing it. And look at that. We got ourselves a wongus, baby. Which is good. I also wanted to do that. I was gonna try to use all the crusted keys I have, at least around the time, or at least just after I got my wongus, because it'll mean I can get the regular rusty lock boxes and try to get some good regular items. I definitely think this is a game where I loot, especially because I'm playing Huntress. Way too flimsy of a character to, at least on Monsoon, go to Mythrix right off the bat. Okay. More medkits, man. Come on. Bungus is not something I have to unlock. Just give me some. Make me happy. What's in here? I don't want a jade. It's not feeling the jade elephant necessarily. Could be good if I had like a bunch of fuel cells and gesture to drown, but I don't even think I can use fuel cells in this run because of the fact that I just unlocked it. I think it has to be the next run after you unlock. And also, I don't have gesture to drown on this account. That achievement's a pain in the ass, and I haven't even gotten a chance to do it on here. Because I've done one run, the video y'all saw before this. I'm gonna do this because I can. More Wungus. Stop. Okay. That's a lot. Secret tunnel. PSG. I kind of want to use the plasma shrimp if I can get that item. Especially because Huntress is so flimsy anyways. If I take a big hit, I'm dead regardless. Well, even though I have one shot protection, but still I'm basically dead. So I mean, an item that the way the plasma shrimp works is you shoot missiles as long as you have the shield it gives you, and the shield like increases with stacks of it, and I think personal shield generator increases the shield itself too. But as long as that's the case, you fire whenever you use your primary. You fire missiles. So it's honestly a pretty good item for some characters. Now obviously there's not, like, almost, I wouldn't recommend it for like any melee character. Just because there's a very good chance you get hit. Or like you lose that shield constantly with a lot of melee characters, so just keep the base item instead of corrupting it, because you'll probably get more use out of that. Alright, now that I'm done battling, where are you? There you are. Let's do this. Get some kills in there, come on. What really sucks about the Beetle Queen is that she just spawns these beetle guards just over and over. Probably at least until you get them dead. And there's two. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Is it in the tunnel? It's in the goddamn tunnel. Hold on. I have a mild solution that didn't work even remotely how I planned it. But anyways, we live. Ah. It's tempting to give. Oh, hey, look at that, we unlocked the bandit. Already made it farther than the last run. God, these things are so annoying. Sucks at that one. You know what? I'm not gonna give him my thing. Okay. Well, let's see where our stage 4 is, because each stage 4 has a way to get a guaranteed red item. And okay, this is, if I can do this, I unlock another character though. If I do the thing that gets me the red item. God dang larvers. And as you can tell, there are magma worms, baby. Ooh, hoopoo feather. Is it attacking my gunner turret? It does appear to be attacking my gunner turret. What was it, 819? Ah, he's coming after me now. Problem is, this isn't like, in a normal run, if I could, I would activate my equipment to help me kill these types of things, but I don't really have a good equipment for killing things like this. Like if it was a beetle queen or like a stone titan, maybe. But this is neither. I mean, we're getting him, like, at least we're damaging him decently. We need to come back up, so we're done, because that decreases his armor. I need to get out of here. See, allowing this dude to just beat the shit out of me probably isn't helping me. But I need some backup mags, some more, tri-tip daggers for the needle tick would be nice. And honestly, some more fungus, because, hey, the more I can run around and shield, the more, or the heal, the more shield I have with Aegis. Well, I guess that's how this run is ending. We unlocked a bit, though. I mean, for a crappy run like that was, I mean, we unlocked quite a few. We unlocked a couple items, and I mean, we unlocked the ability to play the bandit now. I still need to play this dude. That one's not one you unlock, at least as a selectable character. It's specifically a character you get by collecting certain items, and you only get it for the run. But no, here's the bandit, the character we've now got. I'm not gonna. There's a signature move he has where like you use this move, and if you kill with this move, it resets your cooldowns. So you jump up and do this, and it makes you jump, and it turns you invisible. Then you shoot someone with that, and then you do it again, and you just basically fly, because you're doing a ton of damage and refreshing your cooldowns over and over and over and over and over. But I mean, that is something for next time. So yeah, I mean, thank y'all for watching, and I shall see y'all next time.